It's a beautiful morning here on Phi Phi Island. I guess technically we're in Krabi, but we are about to hop on a boat tour, and we figured with the 30 minutes we have before we leave, might as well get some pad thai. Dude, this place is sick.
This reminds me of like a pirate town.
Yeah. So we got here last night and it was like end of the day and we had to get on our boat to get over to the resort. But once we're at the resort, there's only like ferries every so often. So we had to stay there last night and this is our first time actually going into the town. It's pretty cool. Right when we walk out, we found this little shake spot. I'm always getting mango smoothies and coconut smoothies. So today I'm gonna try the strawberry smoothie. Oh. Do you want one? Same one?
No, I think I'm gonna do mango banana.
Ooh, that seems good.
Oh, maybe pineapple.
That also sounds very good.
Pineapple mango.
Cup on cup. Strawberry smoothie.
That's good.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's got that sourness from the strawberries. Dude.
That's really good.
Smoothies were a good call. I don't know what it is, something about this weather, but it's like really,
it doesn't feel that hot, but we're just sweating so much.
Yeah, it must be more humid or something.
I don't know.
It doesn't like breathe humid.
Yeah.
All right, after a quick lap, we've got the guy who sold us the ticket. His uncle is our driver, and we have a private boat, I believe. So
yeah, it's just us two.
Super chill.
Yeah, we're primarily going around the smaller island. We get to stop in Maya Bay. I think we get to see the Viking caves.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I didn't realize that was part of it. Well, it's already messed up. Thanks. Well, we got off the boat. They brought us through, and right through that little valley, there's just an opening, and it's kind of like jungly in here. It's pretty sick. Check this out. So we just got out here. I think we're gonna walk through to this Maya Bay beach. Oh, okay.
Oh, that's where they do the scene.
Oops. Must be. That's easily one of the most amazing views I've ever seen. Wow. I just love that there's cliffs everywhere. It makes it so epic.
So this is us trying to recreate the scene from Beach, Leonardo DiCaprio.
Is there a part where he looks back?
I think he just like gets excited.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Woo, here we go. Does it look like a green screen? Wow. Dude, the water feels so nice. Am I going too deep? That feels amazing. Dude, just dripping down.
Dude, the water feels soft.
Yeah, everything
The water
just
feels soft. The sand is like nothing.
Our ride is here. We're on to the next destination.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, Maya Bay. Would you say you recommend it?
Oh, dude, 100%.
Oh, God. We didn't, like, get to go swim in the water. They don't let you go all the way in.
Yeah, they actually started whistling. Was it whistling or like a bell or something?
Yeah, they did something because I went too far in.
Yeah, like past your knees and they'll get mad at you.
Yeah.
But the water's amazing.
So worth it. It's just crazy. Look how blue this is.
It's like turquoise.
It's crazy.
What is the name of the bay?
Bilik Bay.
Pilit?
Bilik Lagoon.
Pilit Lagoon. Oh, you're gonna slip. You're gonna eat it.
Dude. Woo. It feels so good. Oh my gosh. Oh. Well, I just broke my camera and tripod now. I'm glad it happened out here rather than in the water. But it's gonna be handheld. Seem to be having a little bit of engine trouble. Do you need duct tape? Duct tape? Alright, after a couple of minutes, they got the engine working, and now we're going to Ling Beach, Monkey Beach. These are the same guys that were on the ferry with us. Alright, this is Monkey Beach. Oh, oh my God, oh my God. Ah. Am I getting too close? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I think I'm getting too close to the baby.
They will attract to whatever is in your hand.
I'm like holding it really tight. Oh my gosh, that was scary. I was like, what do I do? I don't know what to do. What do you like? Oh my gosh. Don't show them your teeth? Oh, it's like intimidating? I'm like, oh, oh my gosh. Am I allowed on the island now?
I know. Stop smiling. I'm serious. Like, monkeys take that as a sign of aggression.
Well, the monkeys scared me a little bit, but that was pretty sweet.
Oh. This has been such an awesome tour. So cool. Well, we made it back. That boat tour was absolutely amazing. So beautiful. We got to do so much cool stuff just now.
Worth it. Totally.
Yeah, if you come to the Phi Phi Island, you need to do the boat tour because you get to see so much cool stuff.
If you take a longboat and you're in a group, try and make sure you have the boat to yourself. We paid a little bit extra, but it was just us two on the boat, and it was freaking awesome.
Amazing.
So, definitely worth it.
Yeah. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I had an amazing time making it. That was seriously so fun. We got to see monkeys. We got to swim in the most turquoise water, surrounded by huge cliffs, amazing photo opportunities. If you come to Phi Phi Island, you absolutely have to do a boat tour. Definitely worth the money. And it was actually not too bad. So come check it out. Beautiful. This is the definition of paradise. All right, so thanks for watching. Click the like button if you liked the video. Consider subscribing and hit that notification bell if you want to never miss any of my uploads. Make sure you follow me at whereisbrad_, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.